Hi guys, have you ever wanted to know how to make the perfect boiled egg? It's right here in the Sensible Nutrition Cookbook. The recipe calls for eggs, some water, a pan with a lid, and your stove. That's about it. So right now I've got 6 eggs in my pan and I've covered with cool water about an inch above the egg. So I'll show you how that looks. It's right there on the stove. And what we're doing now is we're going to put the lid on the pan and put it on medium heat, and we're going to go ahead and just let that come to a boil. So you can see them right there, right there. So we're going to let that come to a boil. It takes a few minutes. We're at high altitude, so we have to wait a little bit for our water to start boiling. We're back. Our water is boiling. It took about 7 minutes for the water to start boiling because we are at high altitude. So you kind of want to watch that. And remember, a watch pot never boils. So take a little break, go outside, and then come back and it will be boiling. So we're going to go ahead and take the pan and put it off of the heat. Take it off the heat and put it on the back burner. And then you're going to set your timer for 20 minutes. Takes about 20 minutes at our altitude for these eggs to steam to a hard boiled stage. So we're going to set the timer for 20 minutes and then come back and check our eggs. All right guys, we're back. Our eggs are done. So we're going to try them out and see what they look like inside. The one thing you want to do when they're finished steaming is put them in some cold water. So I've got my egg here. I've got it on a spoon. You can put them in a bowl with some ice. That'll cool them off really quickly too. But we're going to just check one and see how they turned out. So I've got my egg and I'm going to roll it on the counter. I don't know if you can see that or not. And then we're going to peel it and we'll see how well we did. It's always fun to get a nice, perfect boiled egg. Hard-boiled eggs are so good for us. You can keep them in the fridge for about a week if they're not peeled. You want to use those for snacks. You can put them in salads. You can make an egg salad sandwich out of it, or you can make deviled eggs. So here's our egg. Let's go ahead and we'll cut it open and see how well we did. Oh, that looks perfect. So the rest of our eggs we're going to want to get in cold water or put on some ice so they'll cool off quickly. We can store those in the fridge for about a week. So go ahead and try this recipe. It's a lot of fun and really easy to make.